friends, my name is Ira, I'm from Ukraine. I want to invite you to my new channel and please subscribe. I'm a knitting master. I have been professionally knitting for many years and I have many videos on my first channel. All my masterclasses have subtitles and you can watch all my masterclasses on the first channel with subtitles. You will understand everything from my video tutorial and you will be able to knit by repeating everything after me. Just copy and just do what I do in video. Please subscribe to my new channel. I really want to my first channel to have 1000 subscribers. I love knitting and I love yarn and I invite you to this channel. Also subscribe to my first channel. Please write in the comments where are you from, what do you like to knit, what video tutorials would you like to see on my YouTube channel. Please write all this information in the comments. In Ukraine we knit a little bit not the same way like in American, but on my channel I will show you how I knit. I continue to study English. I want to speak quickly like American. Hello, how are you? Wow, it's quickly, very quickly, and my English not so fast. I have Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and if you want to ask me something, just write me. And subscribe on this channel, invite your friend on my channel, please. And if you live in Kansas City, just write it. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. This is new channel, like a little baby. My channel needs time to grow and only you can help to grow this. Thank you for watching and knit. Bye.